Meaning of infernally.
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 Infernally. The word infernally is an adverb that means extremely or intensely, often used to express annoyance or frustration. For example, I am tired of this infernally hot weather means that the weather is extremely hot and it is causing annoyance. The word infernally is derived from the word infernal, which means relating to hell or the underworld. Thus, the use of infernally emphasizes the intensity or extremeness in a negative connotation. In summary, using infernally amplifies the degree of a negative feeling or situation.